Story 4. Quick, Sarah, quick.
Hello, my name is Ines and I'm Sarah. Hello, my name is Nicholas and I'm Dad. Hello, my name is Oyer and I'm the storyteller. Hello, my name is Naya and I'm the arbiter. Hello, my name is Iker and I'm the goalkeeper.
Hello, my name is Alex and I'm the shop assistant.
Hello, my name is Lucia and I'm the woman. What are you doing, Dad? I'm making a good egg for Mom. Oh dear, no eggs. Sarah, can you go to the supermarket and buy some eggs? Okay. Sarah goes past the bakers. Special offer, 10 biscuits for £1. My favorite biscuits, but I can't stop now. I'm in a hurry. Sarah goes past the news and games. Look, my favorite comic, but I can't stop now. I'm in a hurry. Sarah goes past the sweet shop. New real lollipops, 5 for £1. Look, my favorite lollipops, but I can't stop now. I'm in a hurry. Sarah went to the supermarket. Hurry, Italy is closing down. How much are they?
90 pence, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Oh dear! Oh no! Look at the eggs. We can't make a cake now. High Street. I'm so sorry. Look, here's a cake for you. Thank you.